Okay guys, so is this your error which comes very rarely, and it is of course irritating. So I have not spent much time on introducing this video, and let's get directly into this video. But first of all, I want to say you one beautiful thing, that I have made a website in which I have put all the links. So all you have to do is just go to the description box below and click the link in the description, which will pop you up into this beautiful website. Okay, and now you'll ask what to do here. Okay, just check it that it is the correct link. It's yt.hacker99.blogspot.com. So this is the website, and you can scroll down and find your necessary board which you want to download. So first of all, you need to download this link which I have given in the website under the orange colored title, which is actually how to fix 0xc000007b error which appears in your PC. So just click the link which I have given as I have shown on the screen. This method is really easy. All you need to do is just watch carefully and follow me. So the link will pop you up to this Google Drive page. Don't worry about the text above, just hit download button and it will again take you to another website. And don't worry about the text and viruses, just click the download anyway button which is below the link, and just select where you have to download and just click the save button and it would download. So as you can see, it has started downloading, and I will just skip the downloading part and I'll be right back. Okay, so now the downloading process has been finished. Now all I'm gonna do is just open this and extract all the files of this compressed zip folder. So all you need to do is just open the downloaded file and click on the first folder which appears, and then again you will see an application which you have to right click and extract it. If it doesn't display an extract button, then you should click the run button. So now I'll extract this. As you can see, I will click extract all and just select wherever you want to extract the files and all the folders, and it would be downloading. Okay guys, so as you can see, now the extracting process has been completed. Now just open the folder which you have extracted, and again click the first option, double click it or right click and hit open. It would run a short setup and let it run itself. It will take up to 5 minutes depending on your PC strength. Okay, so as you can see, the extracting process has been finished once again. Now all you need to do is just click the install button or whatever it is displaying at the bottom left corner of the screen. And this is the most longest step in this method, so you need to wait up to 20 minutes according to your PC strength. So I'll just fast forward that part. Okay guys, now this method is done and it is completed, and the most importantly, it is successful. Yes guys, this method is 100% working. If this method doesn't work for you, then yeah, you must comment below and say me that this method doesn't working. So with saying this, I end up this video here, and I hope you will surely fix this error as soon as possible. You can watch more content on my channel, like I upload funny vines and vlogs on my channel, which you can get a bit entertained if you are feeling boring and stuff. And the most importantly, you must like and subscribe my channel for more such videos and some GTA 5 videos as well. So once again, that is it for today. Goodbye.